Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful practice that can transform your life, and that's affirmations. Stay tuned as we break down a step-by-step process to craft affirmations for both short-term and long-term goals, ensuring they deliver real results. Stay tuned! Affirmations are positive statements that can help you overcome negative thoughts and achieve your goals. But how do you create affirmations that truly work? And how do they differ for short-term and long-term goals? Let's find out. Step 1 is identifying the specific situation or goal you want to address. Whether it's boosting your self-esteem, improving work performance, or developing healthier relationships, start with a clear target. Step 2 is crafting affirmations for short-term goals. For short-term goals, focus on clarity and specificity. Use action-oriented language and include measurable outcomes. Make sure your affirmations are time-sensitive to instill urgency and focus. For example, instead of saying, "I am improving my fitness," say, "I complete my daily 30-minute workout with energy and enthusiasm." Step 3 is crafting affirmations for long-term goals. Long-term goals, on the other hand, require a broader vision. Highlight sustained effort, personal growth, and emotional endurance. An affirmation for a long-term goal might be, "I am becoming a proficient Spanish speaker, mastering new vocabulary and grammar every week." Step 4 is combining short-term and long-term approaches. Sometimes, integrating both short-term and long-term perspectives can be beneficial. For instance, "I complete my weekly coding exercises to improve my programming skills" supports a short-term goal, while "I am becoming a skilled software developer, building my expertise and taking on new challenges each month" aligns with a long-term vision. Step 5 is utilizing the SMART criteria and incorporating CBT principles. Whether your goals are short-term or long-term, using the SMART criteria can help shape your affirmations. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures your affirmations are clear and actionable. Incorporate cognitive behavioral therapy principles by identifying negative thoughts and reframing them into positive affirmations. For example, if you think "I'm not good enough," transform it into "I am capable and deserving of success." Step 6 is using awareness and consistency. Combine your affirmations with mindfulness and visualization. As you recite your affirmations, be present and visualize achieving your goal. This strengthens your belief in them. Repetition is key. Recite your affirmations daily, ideally multiple times a day. Make it a consistent part of your routine, like during your morning ritual or before bed. Last, step 7 is monitoring progress and keeping a journal. Finally, monitor your progress. Keep a journal to track your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Adjust your affirmations as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Regularly evaluate and revise them to reflect your evolving achievements. Now, let's craft our affirmations. Use present tense and positive language, and make them emotionally charged. They should also feel believable to you. Place them where you'll see them often, like on your mirror or desk. Here are some real-life examples. For workplace performance, "I am a confident and engaging public speaker." For relationships, "I attract and maintain healthy, loving relationships." For self-esteem, "I believe in myself and my abilities." To accelerate results, pair affirmations with actions. Surround yourself with positivity and stay patient and persistent. Change takes time, but with dedication, you'll see incredible results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and transformation. Share your favorite affirmations in the comments below. Until next time, keep believing in yourself. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Follow us for daily inspiration. See you next time.